I'm Rod. I build call center scripts for a living. Here's how ChatGPT can do 80% of that work for you. Even if you have no coding skills, you can get started today. Imagine saving hours on scripting tasks. Let's dive into how this works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to create a call center script. For instance, try create a call center script for a customer reporting a billing issue. Step 2. Watch as it generates a full conversation outline. It's quick and efficient, taking just seconds. Step 3. Now, add a follow-up prompt. Say, make this friendlier and add branching options for yes, no responses. This enhances customer interaction. You end up with a complete decision tree in no time. It's a game changer for managing customer calls. Bonus tip. Copy your script into a spreadsheet or your contact center tool. This allows for instant deployment and real-time updates. Now, you can see how AI transforms hours of scripting into mere minutes of creativity. You're empowered to optimize your call center processes. Stay tuned for more real-world AI tools. Subscribe to unlock productivity and efficiency in your workflow. Don't miss out. Thank you.